Hi, I'm Callum Ryan.
And I'm Todd Brandon, and today we're at 27 Windsor Street in Gracemere. Appropriately named Haven Ward, this home sits on 5,300 square metres and it is an incredible family home. Let's go inside and take a look around. The generous proportions and high ceilings of this David Simpson built home are on point. But what I really loved was the attention to detail, ensuring that this living area was facing north for these beautiful winter days like we have right now.
Besides the huge aspect to this block, you've got some fantastic additions to the home, such as the dual shed setup with plenty of room for caravans and boats, a fantastic pool area and entertaining space.